What's up, guys? It's kind of a funny video. There's a lot of garden snakes here at the cottage, so I'm gonna show you it. So if you go over here in that bush right there, there's like a nest, and under this building a snake went. So it's like, you guys see any? See, there's like a snake nest in this bush. I'm trying to catch it on camera. If I don't find it, if there's no snakes in the video, I will post it. But you guys see any? Tell me if you do. I think they live in this nest. Yeah, so there's also one that went under this building right here. I'm scared. I mean, they're harmless garden snakes, but see anything? There's all these I'm gonna go look all right here. Go try zooming in really well. There were some over here too. Then there's none over here. Did it go through here? Oh, there it is. There it is, guys. See it? I got it on camera. It just went in. So, do we know for sure there's one? You guys see it? So I know they're hanging out in here. Yeah, I'm in the bushes. Oh, I hear it. I hope I got it on camera. I'm gonna try to zoom in again. Did I see anything? Good try and look at a stick. I'm good. I'll just do it. Go here. See anything? It's crazy. Well, I'm gonna see if I caught it on camera. If I did, I'll post this video. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.